Okay, so okay, today what we are going to study about the operating system. Exactly, what is exactly the operating system do? Then computer system organization, then computer system architecture, then computer system structure, operating system operations, process management, memory management, storage management, protection management, and security, distributed system, special purpose system, computing environment, open source operating system. So what is an operating system? A program that acts as an intermediary between the users of the computer and the computer hardware. The operating system goals are nothing but to execute the user programs and make the solving user problem easier. So make the computer system convenient to use, then to use the computer hardware in an efficient manner. Computer system structure. Computer system can be divided into the four components that are hardware, operating system, application program, and users. Hardware provides the basic computing resources such as CPU, memory, IO devices. Operating system controls and coordinates the use of the hardware among the various applications and the users. Now next one, it is the application programs. It defines the way in which the system resources are used to solve the computing problems of the users. Now word processor, compilers, web browsers, database system, video games, etc. are the example of the application servers. Then users are nothing but the people, machines, and the other computers. So here the components of the computer system consist this diagram. Here at the bottom level computer hardware is there. Above to computer hardware operating system is there. Above to operating system and application programs are there. The system and application programs are broadly classified into four types, that are compiler, assembler, text editor, database system. So compiler, it comes with the user 1. Assembler, it is connects with the user 2. A text editor, it is connected with the user 3. Then database system, it is connected to the user n. Like this the structure and components of the computer systems are given. Operating system definition. Operating system, it is a resource allocator, manages all the resources, decides between the conflicting requests for an efficient and fair resources use. OS OS is a control program. OS is a control program, controls the execution of the programs to prevent the errors and improper use of the computer. No universally accepted definition here is that, but here the one program running at all times on the computer is the kernel. Everything else is either a system program ships with the operating system or an application program. Computer system operation. One or more CPU devices controller connects through the common bus, providing access to the shared memory. Concurrent execution of the CPU and the devices competing for the memory cycles. CPU, disk controller, USB controller, graphics adapter, memory, etc. are connected to each other, and all are interconnected to the memory. So here USB controller has mouse, keyboard, printer, etc. Computer system operation. IO devices and CPU can execute the concurrently. Each device's control is in charge of a particular device type. Each device controller has the local buffer. CPUs moves the data from or to the main memory or to or from the local buffers. IO input output is from the devices to the local buffer of the controller. Device controller informs the. हो का? सांगू का ना पाटील मॅडम, मी सांगू का फोन करून त्यांना. नाही मी मेसेज टाकला होता खाली. आता उद्या मेकॅनिकलचा टाकून द्या, जाऊ द्या.